Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss a very important question from the chapter of heights and distances. Here question is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So first of all, we'll make it clear with the help of a simple diagram. Suppose AB is building here and CD is a cable tower, BD is ground. Now you see the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree from top of 7-meter high building. This is the top of the 7-meter high building AB. So the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. CD is cable tower here. This is cable tower. So angle of elevation of this point C, I mean top of the cable tower from top of the building is 60 degree. So let us join A and C. So this angle is here 60 degree. Suppose this AD meets here. Sorry, AE is here. Correct? Next point is the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. From this same point A, the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. We have to find out CD. We have to find out CD. So let us see how we will approach here. You see, alternate angles are equal. So this angle will be also 45 degree. Correct? AB is 7 meter. So opposite side of this rectangle DE will be also 7 meter. This distance is 7 meter. And suppose CE is X. So we will try here to get X plus 7 will give the answer height of tower, I mean CD. Correct? So this is, this is right angle. So first of all, in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, tan 45 degree, tan of 45 degree is equal to perpendicular AB by base BD. And tan 45 is 1, AB is 7 is equal to upon BD, and therefore BD is equal to 7 meter. So we are getting here this BD is equal to 7 meter. Now in triangle CAE, AE will be how much? Equal to 7 meter. Opposite side of rectangles are equal. So therefore AE will be also 7 meter. Now let us take triangle CAE. In triangle CAE, here this angle is 60 degree. So let us take tan of 60 is equal to perpendicular is X, and understood. How did you get X? Because in this triangle CAE, perpendicular is CE. So let me write first CE. This is CE upon base is AE. Tan 60 is root 3. CE is X and AE is here AE is equal to BD, so 7 meter. Correct? So with the help of this relation, we can get value of x, and therefore x is equal to 7 times of root 3. And we can evaluate it very easily. 7 into 1.732. You know, value of root 3 is 1.732. So let us multiply 1.732 with 7. We are getting here 12.124 meter. This is x. X means CE. This is CE. Finally, we have to find out CD. Therefore, CD is equal to CE plus ED. And CE is 12.124 meter and plus ED is, you know, this is 7 meter. 7. So this is equal to, don't write meter here. So this is equal to 19.124 meter. This is the answer. This is the height of the cable tower. So we got height of cable tower is 19.124 meter. So in this way, whenever you will understand the concern diagram easily, we can get the solution very comfortably. Correct? Okay, so now in the next video we will see another question. So dear students, please remain in touch with my videos so that you could get important questions from this chapter, heights and distances, and in other videos we will do some more questions from other chapters also. Thank you very much for watching this video.